Never ever meant to be so sour, baby. Running out of steam, every day be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience. Need a bit of you every time I drink. Like a love, like a love. They all want something now. I don't got the time to go and fuck around. See my eyes got money bags, I don't rest. I might be a Nike fiend, I need my checks. Headed for the limelight, ain't just hype, it's not overnight. I take my advice, I'm gon' do this right. Feeling nice, what's the price, yeah? Do not live in twice, yeah. My fam on my spine, yeah. Green be getting sliced like a lime, Never ever meant to be so sour, baby. Running out of steam, every day be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience. Need a bit of you every time I drink. Like a love, like a love.
I depend on the way you send chills down my spine. Wanna give you all my time, give you all my time. You burn my chest just like tequila. Wanna show you why you don't really need her.
I'm so in love with you. You just hug me and give me warmth. It could took away my pain, and you let me feel so safe and peacefully calm. Dark run away, season cold again when you are around. Your voice is near, right beside my ears, and I'll fall asleep again into your dusk and soothe my dark. To glow it out, I see the blue of your flowers inside your heart, and stars held by your eyes bring me to blue sky. And you hold me by your side in a dream of me. You're the town of my dark and the place of my grief.
Told my brothers one day we gon' make it. We just gotta grind for that paycheck. Mama told me one day I'll be famous. Remember when she used to say she hate this. Back then they would laugh when I say shit. Now I'm inside all them people's playlists. So one day I'll be stomping on them stages. But right now we just dancing in the basement. Right inside the basement. Said it's 4 a.m. still with wavy tweaking bases. Learning shit ourselves on my own time. I made shifts. Shooting for the moon, gon' turn this Honda to a spaceship. Sure they won't fuck with me. I just wanna get some rain and sleep. Shit a little free, yeah. Say what I want, then I get what I want. It's too easy, yeah. Baby, you know I'm a G. I gotta double them C's. She wanna put it on me. Used to sit inside my room, living through some interviews. Told my ass up out of school, I knew I had to make some moves. Got that pressure on me, turn anxiety to diamonds. Demons make it hard to close my eyelids. my brothers, one day we gon' make it. We just gotta grind for that paycheck. Mama told me one day I'll be famous. Remember when she used to say she hate this. Back then they would laugh when I say shit. Now I'm inside all them people's playlists. So one day I'll be stomping on them stages. But right now we just dancing in the basement. Fuck that, when I get that paper, I'm gon' keep it straight. Fuck you, I can't let nobody go and take my stakes. Bitch, you suspect, you can go and somebody nuts say I can't look back, cause you know I be above that. I like bitches, yeah, that like bitches, yeah. Put a spell on me, ooh, they some wishes, that my baby, that my lady, oh. And she go and drive me to the fucking mall. She like Rachel, but I ain't no Ross. I'm a god, that's on me, I got this shit on lock. It's appalling, how I get this shit just like Starling. So pump me up some more, I'm going all in. Told my brothers one day we gon' make it. We just gotta grind for that paycheck. Mama told me one day I'll be famous. Remember when she used to say she hate this. Back then they would laugh when I say shit.